The police are seeking the public's assistance in identifying a man who died in a motorcycle crash along the Holland Bamboo Main Road in St. Elizabeth. It's understood that the bike was stolen from the police station.
The bike was in fact stolen from a police station in another division, and hours after, it met in an accident whilst being driven by this individual. The driver remains unidentified, and so we're asking anyone who may have any information about this person to make contact with the Black River Police Station or 119.